Tell me about the bathroom diaries. Why bathroom?
So
And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please turn up the bass.
bathroom diaries, and that's why I wanted you to be my first guest for bathroom, because bathroom is a place where it's such a personal space for not just women, but I think for everyone, where you are faced with all your problems, where you're faced with the consequences of all your problems. So whether it is from your getting periods, or gastric trouble, how you are peeing, what you're looking like, and do you have body dysmorphia, or do you like yourself, how you portray yourself to yourself when you remove your masks of makeup and everything, and how you portray yourself to the world, and to the others when you put your armor on. When I say that women use makeup as their shields, and their filters. And I call my makeup war paint. I'm like, you would do this, and
I always say that too.
They actually say that there are studies done in where they found that women who apply good makeup and do it daily, they actually get paid more. So it actually results in women, the way you display yourself to the other is also, so it's important. And then how to figure out, so you being an eye doctor, eyes are the windows to a person's soul. It is the part of, eyes are that part of the brain that is actually facing outside. And so we deal with how we view ourselves, with all the vanity issues. Why is it considered a dirty word? Meanwhile, it is not. And beauty, like the perception of beauty or perception of self issues, all of most of our problems arise and get solved in the bathroom.
And I'm gonna. I love how you got. I love how you brought that all the way around.
That's why I called it bathroom diary.
I love that.
So these are like, this is a page out of my bathroom diary.
Bathroom, I think, is also a body shop, right? That's where we actually take and we are able to sort of do our tune-ups.
Yes.
Right? Our private tune-ups that we need to do.
That's where you realize where on your body you need a tune-up.
Yeah.
So if your period is abnormal, you need to know, I need to go see by my GYN. If you're having urinary incontinence, you need to know where you have to go next.
Your stools are abnormal.
Exactly.
If you bathe your body, you do your bone checks. All
you
that
go,
stuff, right?
And most people have like their weighing machines either in their scales. I tell people that the best time to weigh yourself is in the morning, once you've pooped or peed, and then you're not wearing your clothes, and I want you to go and weigh yourself and see where you are in time.